Okay, so to continue preparing your machine for Angular, what we need is we need to install and configure Visual Studio Code. That's the basically what we use to work with Angular with TypeScript. So we need to download VS Code, and then you can do some modifications. I like to do a couple of things to make it kind of more the way I like. So I'll show you real fast how that's done. So just go here and just search Visual Studio Code, download, and you just download it for Windows. See, I already downloaded and installed. Installation is very simple. Once you install it, you would open Visual Studio Code, and this is not exactly the way it looks originally. I do like to keep it in a dark mode like this. You can change it to different types of like themes, appearances. What I like to do, I like to so you have panel, you have a sidebar. So sidebar can go left or right. I like to keep mine on the right so that my code is more on the left. So basically what I did here, instead of keeping it here and then my code on the right, I just like to go to the appearance here, go to move sidebar to the right. Another thing for me, when I started working with this, is these files. I couldn't see which directory I was in, so I wanted to put a little more indent here. So to do that, go to File, Preferences, Settings. Then there's a setting that you can change this to be either UI or JSON. If you change it to be JSON, it's much easier to work because then you can just put a JSON. So basically what I did is workbench tree indent, I changed it to 20. So always show the guides. I like to show these guides always, and I could actually change the color of the guides to like this green. You can change it to anything you want. And basically that's all we need to install Visual Studio Code, make a few changes to it, and now we're ready to start working with the Angular code.